Optimized short antenna replacement for off-road vehicles and trucks with hood-mounted antennas. Dimensions: 4-inch, 100 mm length. Package list: 1x antenna, 7x different size screw bolts, 1x rubber rings. Durable construction, quality build and finish, solid billet aluminum alloy material construction and black hard anodizing that will not chip or fade. Car wash safe, it is short and solidly built, only 4-inch long, can withstand auto car washing, and will not be easily bent or damaged. Easy to install, it only takes a few minutes to complete the antenna installation. Simply unscrew and remove the old antenna from the car or pickup trucks, then select the appropriate screws for the car antenna mount and install the antenna. Compatible with 2004 to 2021 Chevrolet Colorado, GMC Canyon Denali, 2002 to 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer, 2015 to 2021 Chevrolet Trax, 2009 to 2017 Chevrolet Traverse, 2005 to 2017 Chevrolet Equinox, 2012 to 2020 Chevrolet Sonic, 2013 to 2021 Chevrolet Spark, 2000 to 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe, 2000 to 2006 Chevy Suburban, 2009 to 2017 GMC Terrain Denali, 2007 to 2019 GMC Acadia Denali, 2000 to 2006 GMC Yukon Denali. Top reviews from the United States. Stylish with great reception. The shorter antenna screwed right on with ease. Reception is fine and now I can put the car cover on without removing the antenna.